No. Away they go. Summit Dancer from the outside. Security check. Mount Panama. Alongside is Manila Magic. It's now security check. Summit Dancer. Black Label rushing up. Down on the inside is Mount Panama. Manila Magic is racing from the outside. Admiral Contender Andorra. At security check. Followed by Black Label. Summit Dancer down on the inside. Manila Magic is racing in fourth and racing in fifth by some 3 lengths. Andorra, Mount Panama, Admiral Contender. Rounding the far turn, security check, followed now by Manila Magic. Black Label on the further outside, Summit Dancer. And here comes entry number 1, Andorra, Mount Panama, and Admiral Contender. As they race the last 450, security check. Black Label, Summit Dancer, Manila Magic, Mount Panama on the further outside, and Admiral Contender. Security check, Black Label, Mount Panama is on the outside, Admiral Contender. Security check, Summit Dancer, Mount Panama is on the outside. Security check, Mount Panama is on the outside, Summit Dancer, and finally, security check close, Mount Panama, Summit Dancer, Black Label, Admiral Contender, Andorra, and Manila Magic.